This is a trading review for the 18th of October 2022. It's Tuesday, and I was looking at Apple and Nvidia. Right off the bat, we had fast moves. Apple opening a weird area, but we failed to move higher from R4. We had an outside day in Apple, and everything seemed very bullish. And I was looking at Apple for a possible R4 reversal because we were failing to get volume, but we also had some stacks at the ask, but we failed to break out higher from this area 146.50. There was a lot of accumulation here just above VWAP, so uh, I, I knew that something like this would happen, but I'm glad I didn't take it because the move never really worked. Using the 5 minute candles, uh, it, it left using the 1 minute candles, so there was no opportunity really to make an entry. Yeah, there was no real opportunity to make an entry here. But yeah, the only trade that I think I kind of might have missed is Nvidia short from R3. I would have loved to have taken this. Pretty good size, 30 cents, maybe 25. And you can see here that we moved smoothly all the way down. So this could have been the trade of the day, but I missed out on this opportunity. But it's okay. We waited and waited, and we looked at J&G, Johnson and Johnson, and we opened weak. And I know this kind of day you get a bounce, a reaction from S4, so we waited. So this top wick here and another hammer, we attempted to stay above S4, but with very little volume. And I was just looking at the tape, and on this engulfing candle in the 1 minute, and the respect of the BPA, not the BPA, the B volume point of control level, and this level right here at 165.92. I decided to make an entry with a stop loss at 166.01 because had I made it here, it will be much larger size, but more likely to get stopped out. And we drop immediately, got out half. Actually, I messed up on my sizing, more than half at 2R, then partial at the next R, and so on. But I think I might have partial too fast because this move right here will have been nice. But then my last share size, I got stopped out at break even. So it's unfortunate. We were aiming for 164.80 for a total of 3R for the day, but the stock did not drop more. But it's fine. Our goal was around our main target was VWAP, maybe a little bit below that, but it didn't happen, and that was the only trade. And it's for a short, which I'm putting it a B now, just because it's a New York Stock Exchange stock, so it doesn't have a lot of information. So an outside day, it was bullish, but we had a change in the trend a little bit. We pulled back a lot. We open outside 2.2, actually almost 2.3. We'll leave it as 2.2. And we don't have stacks. Yes. Let's say A. We did not break rules. We follow our trading plan. No, I think it's an A trade actually. You have to call a spade a spade. So yeah, that's my trading. Only one trade and done. not giving it away with more trades. If had I gotten 3R, maybe I will have searched for another opportunity. Maybe I would have taken Apple here. Well, you never know. You never know really. So yeah, very good, very good. Start of the week. We did not break rules. We took all the trades we saw. Actually, we saw so many trades that we prioritized the better ones. I stayed away from the Apple trade because the 5 minutes were not forming nicely. This drop here did not have a nice 5 minute entry. Had I taken it here, it will be in anticipation of the break of R4. And here maybe it's a bit too far for my liking, but might have worked. But by that time, I was already done with J&J, so only one trade for me, and just barely to hit daily goal, so we could not afford to make another trade. So that's the review for Tuesday. Oh yes, yes, three things. I was very good at reading the price action. I was very good at um, looking at the 5 minute candle price movement. That helped me stay away from a lot of bad trades. I did well to control my emotions after missing out on the Nvidia trade from R3. This was a very huge. This was a very good opportunity, an A plus setup that I missed out on, but I managed to control my emotions. So it's a pretty good day in terms of control, and and still need a little bit more work on trade management, but it's a big improvement from yesterday. Big improvement.